This is the NUWATT Slim LED recessed ceiling light in white trim. It features a very slim circular design, and it also comes in black, nickel, and bronze trim in multiple sizes. The canless nature of this light makes for a quick and easy installation process. You simply attach the wires inside the junction box and snap it into the ceiling, with no additional fixtures required. It also has a built-in 5 CCT switch to adjust the Kelvin temperature of the light, giving you the flexibility to match the color of your NUWATT lights with the rest of the lighting in your space. NUWATT makes lights that are built to last, with each unit featuring a high-quality, durable frame. No matter where you decide to install it, you can be sure that it's a commercial quality fit for any job. You can find this light at most major retailers.